There are exactly 10 distinct methods inside GoHighLevel that streamline your operations so aggressively they eliminate the traditional bottlenecks of growing a business. By the time we finish this list, you will have the architecture for a fully automated 24/7 business system that handles your manual tasks in the background. To follow the setup, you can access my beginner's guide to building a modern service business through the link in the description. Scaling often fails not because of a lack of effort, but because of the friction created by forcing data to move between a dozen disjointed, unautomated tools. Step 1 is consolidation. Once you log into the dashboard, your first move is canceling your existing subscriptions for calendar booking, funnel builders, email marketing, and course hosting. Moving these functions into one central location eliminates the manual effort of managing disparate logins and conflicting data streams. Step 2 focuses on acquisition. Navigate to Sites, select Funnels, and drag a lead capture form onto a simplified 2-page layout. If you prefer a guided walkthrough for this specific setup, the 5-day challenge link in the description covers every technical detail. Step 3 utilizes the local map scraper. By entering a niche like dentists and a specific zip code, the system identifies target businesses across the city grid. This process automatically populates your CRM with names, phone numbers, and websites, allowing you to build a prospect list without the additional cost of third-party lead databases. You have now established both a high conversion capture mechanism and a consistent source of prospects. Step 4 addresses revenue leakage. By navigating to Automations, you can set a specific trigger for missed calls, ensuring a dropped connection doesn't mean a lost customer. This logic flowchart shows the sequence. The system detects the missed call, waits 60 seconds, and sends an automated SMS to start a conversation immediately. Step 5 enhances this responsiveness. In Settings, you'll find the Conversation AI menu, where you can toggle the auto-booking bot to the On position. This provides you with a 24/7 digital assistant that qualifies leads through text and places confirmed appointments directly onto your calendar while you are offline. I've included a detailed link in the description that demonstrates how to train the AI on your specific business data. Step 6 is database reactivation. Use the contacts filter to isolate any lead that hasn't shown activity within the last 90 days. By applying a bulk SMS action with a specific offer, you can generate immediate engagement from your existing database. Step 7 automates your reputation growth. Set a workflow trigger to fire whenever a customer opportunity is marked as complete. This sends an automated review request, allowing you to scale your 5-star Google ratings as a standard part of your fulfillment process. These 4 sequences transform a business from a reactive operation into a system that recovers revenue and builds authority automatically. For Step 8, navigate to Agency Settings. By uploading your own brand assets, you can white label the entire platform. This shifts your business into a SaaS model, where you can provide this software to your own clients for a monthly recurring subscription. Accessing these white label features requires the Agency Pro tier. Links for the SaaS trial and upgrade options are available in the description. Step 9 involves the official GHL certification portal. Earning this certification provides a trust badge for your site, establishing your technical proficiency to potential clients. Step 10 is the final efficiency, the Snap. This allows for one-click deployment, where a complete set of funnels, pipelines, and workflows is instantly replicated into a new account. You should avoid building these assets manually from the ground up. The snapshot is designed to handle the heavy lifting of the initial configuration. The advantage of this system is the ability to bypass the setup phase and move directly into active operations. You now have the full operational blueprint to replace 10 different software subscriptions and automate your lead flow. This technical infrastructure is now accessible to you without the need for manual custom coding. Comment the word "system" below or use the link to start your trial, and I will send you my exact snapshots for free. Remember to download the Service Business Handbook for the 90-day implementation plan. The infrastructure is ready. The only missing component is your decision to begin the implementation.